In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the temp files that you have, temporary files or caches that you have within your Chrome browser. So to do that, all you need is to open your browser. You can come to the top right. You see these three dots. You can click and then you can come to delete browsing data over here. You can just click and it will bring you over here. So the first thing is you can delete browsing history, cookies, and site data, cached images on files. You can just go ahead and delete the data directly. This is the first option. I have the option to do it. The time range could be 1 hour. The last 1 hour. This is going to delete the time range for 1 hour. If you want to delete browsing data for the entire period, you can see 7 days, 4 weeks, all time. If you want to do all time, you can see it is a lot of data. So you can just go ahead, select, and let's go ahead and click on delete. This is going to remove everything and it is going to free up your system and make it a bit faster. So you can click on delete here and it will just clear it. If you want, you can go advanced, and this is going to also include browsing history, download history, cookies, and other site data, has images and files also for the whole period of time that you've selected. And you can just go ahead and click on delete data. You want to add others like passwords and other sign-in data, you can add all of them, and the browser is going to be completely free. Okay, so you can just click and it will just clear everything. Everything is now gone. Okay, so if you find this helpful, please leave a like.